Mr. Sodhi, prominent Asian businessman from the Bolsol. S for sugar, O for oh my god, D for Daryl, H for hair, and I for in it. Now, I want to speak about my nephew, Monty Vanessa. Now, sorry, I'm wearing his marks because immigration looking for me. I don't want to go on any tube them looking for me. I never go on tube these days. Lucky I'm on this tube, huh? Now, as for Monty, I want to say to him, good luck with the ashes. Good luck with the ashes. But when you bring them back, don't do what you did to your grandmas and put them in the Ganges. Okay? Don't do this. Now, I also want to say, my man Monty, my nephew, he no tamper with balls. Okay? He never tampered with balls. None of my family tampered with balls. He not going to tamper with balls. Okay? Only sometimes. Now, good luck when you go down to the under and you take on the Aussies. Okay? Because the Aussies need a good stuffing. I don't give a foreplay for whatever they say. Okay? I only give foreplay for my Korji. So good luck to him for this. Now, one more final thing. My Monty, he going to be like a celeb. He's going to be a celebrity. Okay? He going to be big man. So he looking for a wife. He looking for a girl. Okay? So any nice girl out there want to see my man, what you must do is leave your picture on the tube, on this tube you. Okay? Leave your picture on the tube you. But he want picture of legs first. He likes legs. He bit of a leggy. Okay? So leave legs first. And then we want the video. It's like what we call LBW. Leg before video. Okay? Do that here now. That is it from me. One last thing. Message to the Australians. Ponting, you will be panting. Brett, you will be wet. Monty will be all bowling. And England will be all set.